The day the sky went silent. At 7:14 a.m., every bird on Earth stopped singing. At first, hardly anyone noticed. In the city, the roar of traffic drowned out the silence. But in the countryside, farmers stared out at their fields, confused. No crows circling the barns, no sparrows on the fence posts, no songs drifting through the morning air. By 9 a.m., hikers began reporting something stranger. Birds in mid-flight, hanging motionless. Some perched on wires, their claws stiff, their eyes wide open but unblinking. Alive, breathing, but utterly still. The footage spread online within hours. Scientists went on live television, scrambling to explain. Maybe it was a virus, maybe magnetic interference, maybe mass hysteria. But by the afternoon, the phenomenon was confirmed everywhere. Every continent, every species, tens of billions of birds, all waiting, watching. At sunset, fear began to settle in. Because it wasn't just birds anymore. The stars began to vanish. One by one, constellations winked out of existence. Astronomers panicked as their telescopes showed only black where galaxies should have been. It wasn't clouds. It wasn't power failure. The stars were simply gone. All across the world, people gathered outside, staring upward at the hollow night sky. The silence was unbearable. Even the wind seemed to hold its breath. And then, at exactly midnight, every device on Earth came alive. Phones, radios, televisions, even machines with no power sources. They all displayed the same message. You have been observed. Phase 1 is complete. Seconds later, the birds moved again. Not individually, not chaotically, together. A synchronized swarm that lifted into the air in a single deafening rush of wings. They formed massive, spiraling columns stretching higher and higher into the starless void. People screamed, some prayed, some simply watched, unable to move. By dawn, the birds were gone. Not a feather remained. The skies were empty, silent forever. And humanity was left staring into the black heavens, waiting to learn what Phase 2 would be.